Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you counter run concept. In the beginning, let's go to skills trainer and go to run concept. Scroll down and go to counter.
Here we go. That. On one, ready? That. Here we go, here we go. That. On one, ready?
For this play, the wrong VT is being blocked. The play will need to be flipped to block the highlighted defender. Playmaker flip can be used to change the direction of the run and block it. To use move RS in the direction you want the run to go before snapping the ball. Flip the run, play with RS, and run through the hotspot.
That.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.